Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. In IUPAC nomenclature, substituents are atoms or groups attached to the principal characteristic group, parent chain. The parent chain is chosen as the longest carbon chain containing the principal characteristic group, here, the carboxylic acid. Any group that branches off or replaces a hydrogen on the parent chain is counted as a substituent. Moving on to the next step. Identify the parent chain. The compound is CH3CCl is equal to CH-CH-Br-ChO. The longest chain containing the ChO group goes through C1, ChO, C2, I, C3, Br, C4 is equal to C5, Cl, C6, CH3. Wait, let us re-examine. The structure from the image is Cl and CH3 are on the same carbon of a double bond, then CH, Br, then CH, I, then ChO. So the chain is CH-Br-CH is equal to C, Cl, CH3. The parent chain, longest chain with ChO, is equal to 5 carbons if we count ChO carbon, C1, ChO, C2, I, C3, Br, C4 is equal to C5, with Cl on C5 and CH3 on C5. Or the parent chain could be 6 carbons including the methyl, C1, ChO, C2, I, C3, Br, C4 is equal to C5, Cl, C6H3, but the methyl is part of the main chain making it a 6-carbon chain, hex 4-enoic acid framework, if taken linearly. Moving on to the next step. Determine the parent chain more carefully. The structure is CH-Br-CH is equal to C, Cl, CH3. Reading as a straight chain, 6 carbons total, including ChO carbon and terminal CH3. Parent chain is equal to hex 4N1OIC acid or 2-iodo 3-bromo 5-chlorohex 4-enoic acid type structure. The methyl, CH3, at position 6 is part of the main chain. And for the final step, identify substituents on the parent chain. On C2, iodo, I, substituent 1. On C3, bromo, Br, substituent 2. On C5, chloro, Cl, substituent 3. The methyl group at C6 is the terminal carbon of the main chain, not a substituent. The O of ChO is part of the principal characteristic group, not a substituent. Count substituents. I, Br, Cl is equal to 3 substituents total. Why other options fail? A. 1. Undercounts, there are clearly 3 halogens. B. 2. Undercounts by 1 halogen. D. 4. Would require counting the methyl or O as a substituent, which are part of the main chain and principal group respectively. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.